Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Bluehost, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with Bluehost, start by visiting the Bluehost website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section on the left sidebar. Click on the Manage button next to the product you wish to cancel. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the cancellation section. Click on the Cancel Account button. You will be prompted to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose the appropriate reason from the drop-down menu. After selecting a reason, click on the Continue button. Bluehost will provide you with information regarding the cancellation process. Review the details carefully to ensure you understand the implications. If you still wish to proceed, confirm your cancellation by clicking the Confirm button. You may need to answer a few additional questions or provide feedback. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification that your cancellation request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for further confirmation from Bluehost regarding your account status. Remember to back up any important data before finalizing the cancellation. Your account will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Make sure to check for any remaining services that may need to be canceled separately. That's it, you've successfully initiated the cancellation of your service with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.